I spent 120 hours testing 50 AI coding tools, so you don't have to. 86% of them are not worth your time. Here are the 7 that survived. I built the same full-stack app with every tool, a task manager with auth, CRUD, and deployment. Each tool got scored on speed, code quality, and developer experience. Claude Code, Cursor, GitHub Copilot, Windsurf, Aider, Klein, and Bolt.new made the cut. Each excels in a different workflow: solo coding, pair programming, or full app scaffolding. Most tools either hallucinate too much, can't handle multi-file context, or have terrible latency. I'll walk you through the common failure patterns so you know what to avoid. Side-by-side screen recording comparing the top 3 tools building the same React component, showing speed, accuracy, and iteration quality. Drop your favorite AI coding tool in the comments. If I missed one that deserves a spot, I'll test it in the follow-up video. Subscribe for weekly AI tool reviews.